Hello again, pre-algebra students. This video is a continuation of lesson 10-2, solving multi-step equations. So you need to continue your notes using this video. We have just a few more things to cover. Let's go ahead and copy problem number 11. Okay, so it involves some decimals, but that should be okay, especially since you can use your calculator. We've got all our D terms over here, so let's just leave the D's over there. Minus 17, we need to get rid of that, so we're going to put plus 17. We'll do that to both sides. So this equals 30 over here. This goes away, and we can combine these terms. 0.5D minus 0.2D. That's actually a little bit confusing. So you may want to use your calculator just to make sure you keep track of your negatives, and we've got different amount of places. So 0.05 minus 0.2 equals negative 0.15D. And that may look kind of messy to you, but again, you get to use your calculator. So divide both sides by negative 0.15. The whole point was that goes away, leaving you with D equals, and then you have to do 30 divided by negative 0.15. Just use your calculator. 30 divided by 0.15 negative equals negative 200. Don't forget that negative. I don't like that negative sort of got lost in there, so I'm just going to rewrite that. Equals negative 200. And that was negative 0.15 there. Okay, so don't let the decimals bother you too much. Use your calculator if you're not sure about the computation. That's fine. I think we better do number 15 also. Go ahead and copy that. 13x minus 4.6x minus 3.9 equals 8.7. You go ahead and work that by yourself, pause the video, and turn it back on to check. And your answer is 1.5. Okay, I'd just like to do one more problem with you, number 18. It says, if the perimeter of the triangle is 139, find the measure of each side. Everybody always freaks out when they look at this, but it's not that hard. The perimeter of the triangle is the distance around the triangle, and they gave us something for each side. So all we have to do is add those three things together and set it equal to 139, which they gave us as the perimeter. So doesn't really matter what order you put them in. 3x minus 5 plus x plus 2x adds up to 139. And then we need to get all the constants on one side and all the x terms on one side. So we've got 3x terms over here and a constant. We've got minus 5, so we're going to put plus 5 and plus 5. This goes away. This equals 144. How many x's do we have? We've got to add up all three of these. So we've got 3 plus, this is 1x plus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6x. Divide both sides by 6. And x equals whatever 144 divided by 6 is. So you can use your calculator for that. 144 divided by 6 equals 24. So x equals 24, but that's not actually the answer because they want you to find the measure of each side. Okay, so line segment RS right here, that was x. Okay, so if x equals 24, that does equal 24. Line segment ST, that's 2x. You can figure that out in your head. 2 times x is 48. And then line segment TR is just a little bit more complicated. That one's going to be 3x minus 5. Plug in 24 for x. 3 times 24 minus 5. 3 times 24 is 72. Minus 5 would be 67. So 67 is the other side. So the sides are 24, 48, and 67. Always be careful to give what the question actually asks for.